Yo, what is up guys, Fizzy here right now, coming at you from a kayak. Yes, I know that's a little bit different, but that's the way I like to play the game. Anyway, I just want to shoot this quick video testimonial from my buddy David 𝐏𝐸𝐸. Now in the first 7 days of using one of his systems, I was actually able to do over $7,000 in commissions. Now, you might be thinking, oh, you might have needed to work a lot to do that, but I made that money whilst doing this kind of stuff. You know, whilst I've been out kayaking, snorkeling, swimming with turtles, spending time with my fiance. I've made that money whilst doing exciting stuff. You know, I haven't been tied to my laptop. And that's one of the reasons that I love to use David's systems, is because you can make money whilst you're out doing the things you want to do. So if that's what you're looking for, if you want to make money whilst you're out doing the things that you love, then I highly recommend leveraging David and his systems, because he basically does all of the work for you. The only thing you need to do is to drive the traffic. Now you might think, oh well, I don't know how to drive traffic. David's got you covered there. He teaches you how to drive traffic as well. So it is the perfect business that's going to allow you to make money and have complete time location freedom. So yeah, if you want to make money whilst kayaking in tropical locations, then I highly recommend leveraging David and his systems.